Okay, this video is to help you get music into your iMovie from your iPad. So the first thing you need to do is to actually get some music. So what I would recommend doing is going into Safari, and you can do a quick Google search on free downloads of music. Once you get the piece of music that you're interested in, you then won't really be able to download it from the iPad, but you can play it. Once you are playing it, it will continue to play in the background, and I suggest this free app to use, which is a voice recorder. So it's kind of a three-step process here. So you're going to need to get this Smart Record app, which is free. So once you have the Smart Record app, you can then just turn it on with the button that you see here. So for example, I'm going to go back to the music that I want in Safari. So I'm going to play this classical piece that I like. Let's see, it's called. Okay. So now that it's playing in the background, I'm going to go in and turn on my recorder. So once it is recorded, and I have this sample here that I've recorded earlier, this is a little bit tricky because I'm also using Air Server, which you won't be using, so that if the iPad is getting a little bit confused going over to the MacBook. But just know that you can click on the record button. You'll be able to make your recording here, and when you're done, click the done. You can go ahead and save it, give it a name. I'll call this sample 2. And you can see that it's here. Once you have it in this location, you want to highlight it and you want to send it into, guess where, save video, the camera roll. Even though it's just a sound recording, it will go into the camera roll just fine. So that now when I go ahead and I take a look into my camera roll, at the bottom here, you can see that I have this 17-second recording that I made earlier. So now the next step that we're going to have is we're going to go back into our movie, and now I'm going to go ahead and add some music, a music title here that I need. So I'm going to go back into my recently added. You'll see that I have this 16-second video that I had earlier, and we're going to go ahead and bring him in here with the second little sound option. So it now brings it in as a sound clip. I can go ahead and play. I'm going to move him over a little bit here so it starts from the beginning. And now when I hit the play button, I have the music that I collected earlier as a soundtrack with my beautiful little dinosaur.